Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some problems based on the arithmetic progressions. Here we discuss about some problems. Now the second problem, if the nth term of a sequence is 2n plus b, where a and b are constant, a nth term tn is equal to 2an plus b. This is the nth term where a and b are constants. Is this sequence is in AP? हमें दिखाना है ये AP में है. इसके लिए दो तरीका, एक तरीका है कि दिस इज nth टर्म्स है और n इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 पुट करने के बाद से क्रमशः फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म मिलेंगे. और आफ्टर दैट वी कैलकुलेट द कॉमन डिफरेंस. इफ द कॉमन डिफरेंस आर कांस्टेंट, देन वी से दैट द गिवन सीरीज formed by the nth term is in AP. And another method, here this is a Tn nth terms and we calculate Tn minus 1 by n replaced by n minus 1, we get Tn minus 1th terms. Here 2an, n replaced by n minus 1 here, and plus b, so that common difference d equal to Tn minus 1, Tn equal to 2an plus b minus Tn minus 1, this 2an minus 1 plus b. Now 2an plus b, we solve this here. 2an, this negative, 2an, this is negative plus 2a and minus b. 2n cancel and b and b also cancel. Here 2a, it means that in the question a given b, a and b are constant. Here this is a constant quantity, so that common difference is constant. Therefore the given sequence is in AP, and we show this, the given sequence is AP. Now third problem here. Find the fifth term of the sequence. सीक्वेंस का पांचवा टर्म ज्ञात करना है, whose first three terms are 3 terms are 3, 3, 6, and each terms after the second this is the sum of two preceding terms. यानी after the second 6, 3, 3, 6, and here 6, 3, 9, and also here 9, 6, 15. Each term after the second is the sum of two preceding terms, 3, 3, 6, and 6, 3, 9, 9, 6, 15. Find the fifth term of the sequence so that fifth terms equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. This is our required result. This is our required result. This is a T5. Now question 4. Find the nth term of the sequence. This first term A equal to -5 and common difference D equal to 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, this is 5, 5 minus 0, this is 5, 10 minus 5, this is 5, 15 minus 10, this is 5, common difference is same, so that it is in AP, and find nth term Tn. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a formula, and so that A equal to here -5 plus n minus 1 into D equal to, in this case, D is equal to 5. That is a -5 plus 5 n minus 5. This is equal to 5 n minus 10. This is our answer. Now question number 5. Now question 5. Find the 10th term of the sequence 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. First term A equal to 10 and common difference D. 5 minus 10, minus 5, 0, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5. This is a plus minus 5. And you know that nth term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and we find the 10th term T10 is equal to A equal to 10 plus 10 minus 1 into common difference minus 5, and this is a 9, 9 45 minus 45, and this is a 10 and a minus 35, and 10th term of this series is minus 35. This is our answer. Now a person was appointed in a scale of rupees 4,500, 125 to 7,000. Find in how the years he will reach the maximum at this scale। जैसा कि पे स्केल प्रॉब्लम है जो है, पे स्केल में इस टाइप से दिया रहता है कि ए पर्सन वाज अपॉइंटेड इन द स्केल ऑफ ₹4500 रुपया से प्रारंभ होता है कि जो अपॉइंटमेंट होगा उस दिन 4500 रुपया मिलेगा, और 1 साल के बाद से जब इंक्रीमेंट 125 रुपया है, हर साल 125 रुपया बढ़ता जाएगा। बढ़ते बढ़ते जो है जब 7000 तक पहुंच जाएगा तो उसके बाद से बढ़ोतरी जो है बंद हो जाएगा, कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा जो है। इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम भी जो है एपी श्रेणी के एपी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के तहत आते हैं। नाउ द गिवन सीक्वेंस ऑफ द सैलरी विल बी फॉर्म ऑफ एपी जैसे 45 4500 4625 4750 4875 इस तरह प्रत्येक साल जो इंक्रीज करते हुए यहाँ तक चला आता है। अब फर्स्ट टर्म ए इक्वल टू 4500 रुपीज एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस दैट इज इंक्रीमेंट 125 रुपीज। दिस let us suppose that after 1 year salary will be 7000। now T1 equal to A plus N minus 1 into T, A equal to 4500, N minus 1 into T equal to 125। This comes here, and after subtracting this is equal to 2500 and this comes here divided by 125। After that this is a 20 and 1 here comes plus 1, that is 21 here। now required time के लिए हम जो है एक उसमें से एक को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं। जहां तक सैलरी की बात है यहाँ जो है तो 20 बरस के बाद से जो है यह 60,000 को पहुंचेगा। जैसे थोड़ा काउंट किया जाए जनरल वे में, यहाँ से 1 बरस, 2 बरस, 3 बरस, 4 बरस, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, वहां से 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20। After 20 years his salary reach at the 7000। this is our answer। so that पे स्केल का पैटर्न इस टाइप का होता है, और ये भी जो है हम लोग एपी के सहायता से इसकी गणना कर सकते हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हियर। नाउ प्रॉब्लम 7, find the number of all positive integers of 2 digits which are divisible by 3। find the number of all positive integers of 2 digits, all positive integers of 2 digit equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, dot 9, 99, 98, 97, 96 and so on। now we have to find the number of all positive number निकालना है integer of 2 digits which are divisible by 3, so that divisible by 3 series divisible by 3 series will be here। this is not divide by 3. This is not 3. This is 12. This 15. After that 18. After that 21. And last this is divided by 3. 99. Not divided. This is divided by 96. So that here this series is in AP. देखने से ही पता चला कि एपी में है। इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म a equal to 12, common difference d equal to 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3. 18 minus 15, that is also 3. 21 minus 18, that is also 3. Common difference is same, so that this is in AP. Now let us suppose that this 99 is the nth term. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, imply that a equal to 12 and n minus 1 into d, common difference 3. This is equal to 99. Now this is 3 n minus 1 into 3 equal to 99 minus 12. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. 8. So that n minus 1 equal to 87 divided by 3. N equal to 3 2 are 6. 29, and this comes here plus 1. This is equal to 30. This is equal to 30. It means that this has 30 terms in this series. Now find the number of all positive integer of 2 digits which are divisible by 3, so that total number will be 30. Now next problem. Now problem 8. Find the number of all positive integer of 3 digits which are divisible by 5. 3 digit number will be minimum 100. 101, 102, 103, 105, 4, 105, dot, 999, 998, 997. Here, this is the total 3-digit numbers. Now, find the number of all positive integers of 3 digits which are divisible by 3. divisible by 5. Here first number will be 100. After that 105. After that 110. As divisibility, those numbers divided by 5 which have at the unit place 0 or 5. Here at last here 995 990. To see this sequence is in this series is in AP. First term A equal to 100, and common difference 105 minus 100 equal to 5, or 110 minus 105 equal to 5, so that it is in AP. Tn, let us suppose that 995 is the nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into t, so that A equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5 equal to 995. Here this is n minus 1 into 5, 995. This comes here minus 100. N minus 1 equal to what? 895. Now n minus 1 equal to, this is divided by 5, that is 5 3 5 7 35 4 5 9 45. Now n equal to, this comes here plus 1, 180 terms. Between the 80 terms are 3-digit numbers that is divisible by the 5. Now we see next problem. Problem 9. Find the 10th term of the sequence whose 7th and 12th terms are 34 and 64 respectively. Sequence is in AP. As in these problems, this sequence is in AP, so that we have find 10 term of the sequence whose 7th and 12th term are given 34 and 64. Let us suppose that nth term and Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D by by question here 7 term यानी a प्लस 7 टर्म में 7 माइनस a प्लस 6d इक्वल टू 34. This is the first and a plus 12 term and 11d equal to 64. This is equation 2. We solve this with the help of algebra and we get the value of a and d. After that we calculate the 10th term. Subtract 2 minus 1. Here a plus 11d equal to 64 and a plus 6d equal to 34. This negative cancel. 5d equal to 0. This means that 30d equal to 6. In this case d equal to 6, so that by 1 a plus 6d equal to 34. Putting the value of d, a plus 6 into 6, 34, a equal to 34 minus 36, this is equal to minus 2, a equal to minus 2. Now we calculate the 10th term. T10 equal to a plus 9d, a equal to minus 2, 9 into d equal to 6, minus 2 plus 9 6 ja 54. This is equal to 52. This is our answer, 52. And 10th term of this series is the 52. Now here and 1 से 100 तक के कुल संख्या कितना होगा, इसको पाने के लिए जो है 100 में से 1 के घटा करके और 1 जोड़ देंगे, 100 हो गया. 100 से 999 तक कुल संख्या पाने के लिए 999 में से 100 घटा कर 1 जोड़ देंगे तो कुल 900 हो गया. अभी हम लोगों ने एक प्रॉब्लम हल किया कि 3 डिजिट नंबर डिवाइसिबल बाय 5 इज कैलकुलेट किए थे, 180 आया था. जब पूछ दे कि दैट इज नॉट डिवाइसिबल बाय 5 तो कुल 900 में से 180 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद से 720 ऐसे 3 डिजिट के नंबर होंगे जो 5 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते हैं. अब जो है यह प्रॉब्लम है, ए सम ऑफ मनी केप्ट इन ए बैंक अमाउंट टू 1240 rupees in 4 years and 1600 rupees in the 10 years. Find the sum and simple interest carried every year and the amount sum after 7 years. इस प्रॉब्लम को देखने से लग नहीं रहा है कि यह जो एपी का प्रश्न है, लेकिन जो है इसके तह में यदि हम गहराई से सोचेंगे तो यह जो है हमें कंफर्म होगा कि इसको विद द हेल्प ऑफ एपी वी सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स हियर. लेट अस सपोज दैट प्रिंसिपल वी पी एंड रेट इक्वल टू आर एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू आई. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट साधारण ब्याज में क्या होता है कि एक ब्याज फिक्स होता है और उसमें जो है हर साल उतना रुपया जो है ब्याज के रूप में हमें मिलता रहता है। जबकि कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में ब्याज का ब्याज मिलता है, लेकिन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में इस तरह की कहानी नहीं होती है। इसमें जो एक फिक्स रेट से ब्याज मिलता रहता है। मनी आफ्टर 1 ईयर, 1 वर्ष के बाद से मूलधन और ब्याज मिलेगा। मनी आफ्टर 2 ईयर, 2 वर्ष के बाद से मूलधन मिलेगा और 2 साल का ब्याज मिलेगा। ब्याज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में नियत होता है। 3 वर्ष में मूलधन मिलेगा, 3 गुणे ब्याज मिलेगा 4 वर्ष में। इस तरह जो है बाय क्वेश्चन आफ्टर 4 ईयर मीन्स P plus 4I equal to 1240 rupees, and after 10 years that money will be 1600, and P plus 10I equal to 1600. Now by subtract 1 from 2 we get 6I equal to itna, I equal to 60 rupees. It means that this is a simple interest, and putting this in 1 we get the principal मूलधन, and we ask me carry forward year and the amount sum after 7 year, and P plus 7I 7 into 60 and 1420 rupees we paid after the 7th year. Now like, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर माय वीडियोज। आप वीडियो को अपने दोस्त मित्र में शेयर करें, जिससे कि अधिक से अधिक दोस्त मित्र भी इससे लाभ उठा सकें। थैंक यू।